Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Blue Yeti microphone. I bought this microphone from Amazon. It is one of the best microphones if you have a budget. I am looking for this microphone from the last 1 year or so finally got this. This is how the retail sales package of Blue Yeti microphone looks. On the box you can see the picture where everything is mentioned such as mute button, headphone output, custom bass and so on. Using this microphone you can set 4 modes. Here you can see the different modes: stereo, bidirectional, omnidirectional and cardioid. I bought this microphone especially for cardioid for my YouTube videos. So without wasting any time, let's open the seal of this Blue Yeti microphone. Here is the seal. This headphone is very heavy, so you have to be careful while removing the headphones from the box. Inside we have another white box. We have to open the seal of this white box. On opening the box we find a USB cable. It is USB to mini USB cable. Here you can see that it is USB to mini USB, and here is a booklet on how to use the Blue Yeti microphone. Let's keep it aside, and also you get some extra papers regarding safety information. And here is a black thermocol, and here is a Blue Yeti microphone. Okay. The microphone is very heavy, and inside the box we don't have anything, so let's keep the box aside. And here is a microphone. Okay, here you can see the blue color variant. And coming to the bottom of this Blue Yeti microphone, you can see that there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, so that you can hear the voice while recording clearly without any latency. Here is a port to insert mini USB cable. You can reposition the Blue Yeti microphone by losing these knobs. Here you can see that I am keeping this microphone in this position and I am tightening the knobs. Here you can see the blue microphone branding, and here is a mute button, and here is a button to increase volume. And coming to the back side, you can see that gain. If you want, you can set the gain over here, and below the gain button you have the pattern button. You can set 4 pickup patterns. Now let's test the Blue Yeti microphone. I'm going to connect the Blue Yeti microphone to my laptop, and now let's test its pattern. In total it has 4 patterns at the back. Here you can see that stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid and bidirectional. So let's test the each and every one. I'm going to connect the cable to my laptop and the Blue Yeti microphone. Here, once you connect the USB cable, on the mute button you can see the light. If the light is steady, it means that you can record the audio. At the bottom you have the option to insert the headphones, so that you can know the quality of the audio. And after that you need to set the mic like this, in this position. For testing the audio, I'm going to open the Audacity app on my laptop. I'm going to turn on the recording. So from now onwards, the voice which you are hearing will be coming from this Blue Yeti microphone. The first pattern which I have selected is stereo. So when you speak directly in front of it, you can hear the voice equally from the left and the right side of your earphones. If I either speak from the right side, you can hear voice more from the right side earphone. If I talk from the left side channel, you can hear more voice on the left side earphones. Now I am talking directly in front of the microphone. The audio will be heard equally from both left and right channels. So now coming to the second pattern, I am going to select second option, which is omnidirectional. Once you select the omnidirectional, the Blue Yeti microphone picks voice from all 4 directions. And coming to the third one, which is cardioid, the one which I am going to use the most for my YouTube videos. In cardioid pattern, it picks voice only from the front side. It filters the voice coming from the other 3 directions. So it is quite useful if you are streaming games or if you are on Skype or Discords. This cardioid pattern is quite useful. And coming to the last pattern, which is bidirectional. this bidirectional pattern is quite useful if you are taking interviews with someone. It picks voice directly and in the opposite directions. So that's it guys. For those who are looking to buy a good quality microphone for YouTube videos, you can definitely consider Blue Yeti microphone. Though it is costly, the sound output will be really good. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.